Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Zone. I'm Sophia, and today I'm here with Omar.
Hey everyone, nice to be here again. Today we have a very useful topic for English learners: how to have a conversation in a restaurant.
Yes, if you travel, study abroad, or even visit an English-speaking restaurant in your city, you need this. Ordering food, asking questions, and talking to a waiter are basic but super important skills.
And don't worry, today's lesson will be simple, slow, and very clear. We'll take you step by step so you can understand everything.
Exactly. So let's get started with a real, natural restaurant conversation. Imagine this. Omar and I are going out to eat lunch together. We arrive at the restaurant and a waiter greets us.
Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant.
Omar, imagine the waiter says, "Good afternoon. How many people?" What would you say?
I would say, "Good afternoon. 2 people, please."
Exactly. Simple and polite. Then the waiter says, "Right this way."
When we sit down, the waiter usually gives us the menu and says, "Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?"
Right. And a good simple answer is, "Yes, I'd like water, please." Or, "I'll have an orange juice."
And if you need time, you can say, "Not yet. We need a few minutes, please." Part 2. Choosing food.
Now we look at the menu. And here's the fun part. Many English learners get nervous when they see big menus.
Yes, but here's a simple trick. Look for keywords like chicken, beef, salad, pasta, soup. It makes everything easier.
Exactly. Also, don't be afraid to ask questions. For example, what do you recommend? What is this dish? Is it spicy?
Asking questions is normal. Even native speakers do it. And remember, there is no shame in reading slowly. Part 3. Ordering food.
All right, let's practice placing an order. Omar, what would you order?
I would say, "I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables."
Good. And I'll say, "I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce, please."
If you want to ask for something extra, you can say, "Can I have extra cheese? Could I have it without onions? Can I change the fries to salad?"
These small sentences are very useful. They help you sound confident and clear.
Part 4. During the meal.
Now the waiter comes back and asks, "How was everything?"
And you can answer, "Everything's great, thank you." Or, "It's delicious."
If there's a problem, stay calm. You can say, "Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered." Or, "Could you please warm this up a little?"
Good communication is polite and friendly. That's the key. Part 5. Asking for the bill.
After eating, the waiter will ask, "Would you like anything else?"
And you can say, "No, thank you. Just the bill, please."
Sometimes they ask, "Cash or card?"
And you answer, "Card, please." Or, "Cash, please." HB. Full practice conversation.
So Sophia plays the customer, Omar plays the waiter.
Good afternoon. How many people?
"Good afternoon. 2 people, please."
Right this way. Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink?
"Yes, I'd like water, please."
Sure, I'll be right back. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce.
Great choice. Anything else?
Can I have extra cheese, please?
Of course. And for your friend?
He'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
How is everything?
It's delicious. Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. Just the bill, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great day.
TP. Simple tips for learners.
If you want to get better at restaurant English, practice these phrases every day.
Listen to real restaurant conversations, repeat them, and try shadowing to improve pronunciation.
And don't be shy. The more you speak, the faster you grow.
Exactly. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Omar. See you in the next episode of English Podcast Zone.